If you have some soil and a pot, don't throw away your lemon seeds. Grow them into beautiful and fragrant trees instead. Here's the method to grow from seeds that seems to have the highest success rate. And the same method can be used with all citrus seeds. Remove 4 or 5 lemon seeds. Don't use any seeds that were cut or frail and thin seeds. Carefully peel the hard outer shell of the seeds. This will be easier to do if you let the seeds dry for about an hour after removal. If you damage the inner seeds while removing their shells, don't use those seeds either. Take 4 or 5 seeds that you peeled without damaging and place them in a wet napkin as shown. Fold the napkin twice over the seeds and place it in a clear Ziploc bag. If you don't have a Ziploc bag around, any clear bag will do. Just make sure you remove all the excess air from the bag and keep it somewhat airtight so that the napkin inside does not dry out. Write down the date and keep it by the bag. That way you won't forget how long it's been while waiting for the seeds to germinate. Place the bag somewhere at room temperature that doesn't get any direct light. After 2 weeks, we open the bag. We'll plant the germinated seeds in soil. Two of the seeds germinated quite well, and one of them even sprouted leaves. We poke a hole in the middle of each cup using something like a pen or a screwdriver. Carefully remove the germinated seeds from the napkin and plant them so that the root is on the ground and the seed itself is about half submerged and half above the soil. Add water, then gently push down around the seeds so that the soil completely surrounds the roots without any air pockets. For the next couple of months, keep these cups somewhere bright but without much direct light. And that's all. I hope you'll manage to grow prolific and fragrant lemon trees that will add some beauty to your place. Good luck.